Just when everyone thought Toyota had gone silent, it launched its biggest move yet, and now everything is about to change. While other automakers were busy showing off with stage lights and fancy presentations, Toyota was quietly working behind the scenes. No leaks, no teasers, no hype, just a silent storm. And now the whole industry is shaking. Then came the moment no one expected. Toyota's CEO made a statement that sent a jolt through every boardroom in the auto world. This wasn't a normal press release, it was a declaration of intent. Our new dynamic force engine will challenge the competition. That single line changed everything. According to insiders, this new engine doesn't just power hybrids, it reinvents them. It breaks past the limits of conventional combustion engines, delivering higher performance, better efficiency, and cleaner operation. And that's exactly why every major automaker from Tesla to Ford to BYD is now watching Toyota closely. So, what exactly is this dynamic force engine? What makes it such a bold and game-changing move? And why has it created waves of tension among Toyota's biggest rivals? Let's dive in. Before we get into the engine itself, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you never miss a major breakthrough in the world of automotive technology. Now, to understand Toyota's decision, we need to look at its mindset and why it refuses to abandon the gasoline engine even when the rest of the world is chasing electric dreams. While most automakers are racing to plug in their next EV, Toyota is taking a different path. Instead of following trends, it's perfecting its legacy, refining its engine technology, and unveiling a new generation under the dynamic force name. But here's the real question. When big players like Tesla, BYD, and Ford are investing billions into electric vehicles, why is Toyota still developing traditional engines? The answer lies in Toyota's long-term vision. The company isn't just reacting to the present, it's preparing for the future. Toyota understands that electric vehicles are the next step forward, but not the final one. The shift to EVs is happening, but not everywhere, and not at the same pace. Many major regions such as South Asia, Africa, and parts of the Middle East still lack reliable charging infrastructure and stable electricity network. For millions of drivers in these markets, EVs remain expensive and inconvenient. That's why Toyota is betting on what it calls the multi-pathway strategy. The idea is simple. One solution doesn't fit all. Every market has its own needs, and Toyota wants to meet them all. This strategy includes electric vehicles, hybrids, plug-in hybrids, and even hydrogen technology. The dynamic force engine is a vital piece of that vision. This engine is built to deliver more power while using less fuel, producing fewer emissions and lasting longer than ever before. It's aimed at drivers who can't switch to electric yet but still want advanced performance and modern efficiency. Another reason Toyota is confident in this approach is its long-standing reputation for reliability. Toyota engines are known to last for years, sometimes decades without failure. That trust allows the company to keep pushing internal combustion technology forward instead of giving it up entirely. And Toyota's success with hybrids like the Prius proves that combining petrol and electric power can be a perfect bridge between old and new. In many countries where charging stations are still rare, hybrids remain the smartest option. Toyota's engineers have also improved the way their petrol engines breathe, burn fuel, and manage heat. The dynamic force engine optimizes airflow, increases compression ratios, and improves thermal control, all to achieve better performance with less environmental impact. For Toyota, this isn't just about keeping gasoline alive, it's about reinventing it. The company wants to prove that thinking electric only is too narrow and that intelligent engine design still has a massive role to play in the future of mobility. The dynamic force lineup isn't a minor upgrade. It's part of Toyota's global design system that makes cars lighter, stronger, and more efficient. It enhances performance, simplifies production, and brings consistency across models. While other brands are going all in on electric, Toyota believes the smartest future is one where electric and combustion technologies evolve together. Their goal is clear: deliver powerful, efficient, and affordable vehicles that fit the real needs of drivers around the world. Toyota has already shaken up the automobile industry with its dynamic force engine, but this is just the beginning. The real question now is, what will be Toyota's next big thing? Is Toyota developing a super hybrid that combines the power of petrol, the efficiency of electric, and the future readiness of hydrogen? Well, we can get the answer to this question from Toyota's thinking, its research, and its upcoming project. First, let's talk about the solid-state battery. Toyota has been working on solid-state batteries for the last several years. These batteries are quite different and much more advanced than today's lithium-ion batteries. They contain solid material instead of a liquid electrolyte, which makes them safer, more durable, and capable of faster charging. Toyota claims that their solid-state batteries can extend the range of an EV to 1,000 kilometers on a single charge, and can be charged in just 10 minutes. Now, just imagine what happens if Toyota mixes this technology with their dynamic force engine. We get a super hybrid that not only delivers high efficiency, but also does not require frequent charging. When the EV mode is required, the solid-state battery will be active, and when power or long drives are required, the dynamic force engine will kick in. This means no worries about charging infrastructure, no EV range issues, and no petrol engine low efficiency problem. With this super hybrid, Toyota can create a segment that is neither completely EV nor completely fuel-based, but a combination of the best of both. Now, let's talk about hydrogen technology. Toyota has already shown the world that hydrogen fuel cells are a strong option with cars like the Mirai. Hydrogen-powered cars are extremely clean for the environment as they emit only water, and now Toyota is preparing to take its dynamic force engine to that level. According to some recent reports, Toyota's R&D team is testing the dynamic force engine to run directly on hydrogen. That is, hydrogen will be burned directly in the engine instead of through a fuel cell. This will not only provide power but also retain the feel of a traditional engine without the CO2 emission. So, the company's strategy here isn't about rejecting electric vehicles, it's really about perfecting a broader spectrum of technologies, so that no driver is left behind. This inclusive vision for the future of mobility could, honestly redefine what it means to drive a clean, efficient, and powerful vehicle. Toyota's approach shows a deep understanding of the global diversity in energy resources and infrastructure readiness. While some markets are quickly moving toward fully electric vehicles, others will, for the foreseeable future, rely on hybrids and alternative fuels. By not putting all its resources into just one technology, Toyota positions itself as the most adaptable and resilient automaker out there. This isn't a delay tactic, it's actually a masterclass in long-term global strategy. The goal is to offer a solution for every customer in every region, tailored to their specific circumstances and needs. The potential combination of a dynamic force engine, a solid-state battery, and hydrogen compatibility represents the pinnacle of this multi-pathway strategy. It would be a vehicle that offers the zero-emission benefits of an electric vehicle for daily commutes, the range and convenience of a gasoline engine for long journeys, and the ultimate clean profile of hydrogen, all in one package. This level of flexibility and power is currently unmatched by any other manufacturer pursuing a single-track electric future. Therefore, the industry is watching because Toyota is not just building a new car, it is challenging the entire narrative of an imminent, exclusively electric future. It is making a compelling case for a more nuanced and practical transition. If Toyota succeeds, it won't just have a best-selling vehicle, it will have validated a philosophy that the path to a sustainable future is through multiple technologies working in concert, not through a single winner-takes-all solution. The race is far from over. And with these developments, Toyota is poised to lead it for decades to come. Now, imagine what it would be called if a dynamic force engine, solid-state battery, and hydrogen options were available in the same car, the ultimate hybrid triple power machine. Or maybe, the definition of the future itself would change. This is Toyota's strategy. While other companies are running in just one direction, Toyota is preparing to catch the future from all sides. It is balancing electric vehicle, hybrid, hydrogen, and combustion technology, creating an option that fits all markets, especially in countries where electric vehicles are not yet fully practical. This super hybrid technology will make people not feel the need for electric vehicles. Also, this technology will be so flexible that no matter which fuel becomes dominant in the future, Toyota will be prepared. The company's engineers have already said that in the next 5 years, Toyota can introduce a car that can use solid-state batteries, dynamic force engines, and hydrogen. If this proves to be true, Toyota will not only change the rules of the auto industry, but will give a new face to technology itself. In the end, it would not be wrong to say that Toyota's next big thing will not be just a car, but a whole new idea, and when it comes, other companies will probably have to return to the starting line of the race once again. If you want to be the first to know more technology insights like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because, the future starts now.